How to fix unable to load camera roll on Messenger. Well, in order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the App Store and check whether you are using the updated version of Messenger app or not. So search for Messenger at the address bar. Move into Messenger and tap on Update if the update option is available. Sometimes updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. If the update option is available, simply click on it and wait for the application to be updated. Once it has been updated, now the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you are connected to stable internet connection. Once done, now head over to Settings, move into General, and then move into iPhone Storage. Scroll down and then head over to the application Messenger. You have to click on Offload App and then once again tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.